Hey folks, Naked Skinner here. As you can see, I got a rifle right beside me. Let me show you something about this old girl here. This is a Savage 243. It's an Axis, but I've done some modifications. Smoother trigger pull, aftermarket stock. New scope. Gotta zero it in. You know, in order to zero a rifle, you know, I like 25 yards. If you have to, bring it to 10 yards, and that'll get you on paper at 25, and then back it out to 50. Now, I reload ammo, but my brass was getting a little old, so, you know, just go to Walmart, pick you up another box. 243s just for the brass. You know, I won't deer hunt with them. I can reload a better cartridge, believe it or not. But this will get me where I need it for hunting season, because the cartridge I'm going to hand load is very similar to this one that I've got in the chamber now. First step, when you're mounting a scope, you know, usually two-man procedure if you do it like I do, or have a gun shop do it. They can. But what you want to do is you want to get in your shooting position, and you want to have the guy above you. He's going to be adjusting your scope. Tell him a little bit left, a little bit right, tighten down. And you should be able to get it pretty dead zero. This one I did myself, and it's perfect to me. So, let's put 2 rounds down range and let's go check the target, all right? All right, let's go check that target. When you're shooting, you want consistency. You want a smooth, steady trigger pull. All right. Here's what we got down here, folks. Let me get down here on my target. Nice target. 2 shots touching. All right. This tells me I'm 1.5 inches to the left, and I'm about 4 low. All right. Let's go back to the scope. Give me a sec to get back here. All right. We're back here at the rifle now. Now, this rifle scope is a 1/4 inch MOA at 100, which basically means it'll move your reticle a 1/4 inch, 1/4 of an inch. Now, 1 click means 4 clicks to an inch. Well, when you bring it back, bring it towards you, multiply it. At 8, or at 50 yards, it's 8. We're at 25, 16. All right. Now, we were to the left, so we need to move it right 1.5 inches. Let's go 20 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, we'll go there. This is just to get it close. Now we're about 3 inches low, so we need to bring it up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. All right, 48 clicks. If you notice, I saved my brass. Put a new one in, send it. Dead on with a bullseye, ½ inch to the left. All right. At this stage, 25 yards, I can kill a deer. I don't like 25 yards. So what I'm gonna do, folks, I'm gonna move that target out to 50. We'll be right back with part 2.